So I'm guessing when you did the Google form, you probably didn't know how to do this one problem because we didn't really talk about it. So I just want to go over it really quickly. So these arrows mean that these lines are parallel. So I'm just going to go ahead and highlight them. And then if you notice, this side down the middle here kind of connects them. And this probably doesn't really look relevant at the moment, but if you think back to when we did angle pairs, we would always have two lines that were parallel. And then we would have a transversal. And that would create these special angle pairs. So here would be one set of those. And if I ask you what type of angles these are, hopefully you would be telling me that they're alternate interior. And alternate interior are congruent. If you do a little bit of imagining, and my diagram is not perfect, right here, I'm kind of like making that shape that you're seeing on my screen. So here and here, we can add marks because they're alternate interior angles. I can sort of do this the other direction as well. So here I have a set of parallel lines. And then down the center here, I have this transversal. So again, kind of imagining that picture that we're more familiar with. I've got these parallel lines. And then down the middle, I've got this transversal. And here and here, I would have alternate interior angles. Now, if I kind of just finish this off, you can see this is the same picture that I have below. So I can mark these two angles, alternate interior. And then lastly, both triangles share this side that goes right down the middle. So I can mark that because it's the same for both triangles. And then if you're just focusing on the one triangle, and I'm going to erase some things because this has just gotten a little crazy. So let me erase and then draw everything back on for you. So we had these two marked. We had these two marked. And we had this center line marked. So if we just focus on one of our triangles, so I'm just going to look at this one, then you could be asking yourself, okay, what do I have marked? So I have two angles. And then I'm either asking, is the side in between or outside? And hopefully you're recognizing it's in between. So this would be angle, side, angle.